How to fix Sonic Rumble crashing on Steam. First, you'll need to right-click the game in your library, open up the Properties window, and then go to the Installed Files and click on Verify the Integrity of Game Files, and wait for this process to finish checking. Next, you want to go to the General tab, and under Launch Options add the following command, which is -dx11, and then close out of this window. Next, you'll need to open up your browser and then search for Redist, like this. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table. And if you have a 64-bit version system, just download both of these, the 86 and the 64, and download and install them. Sometimes when you run the installer, it might look like this, which means in this case it's already installed. You can hit the repair button to try and repair existing installations as well. And once you're done, you can simply close out of it. And then you'll need to open up your GPU and update it. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you'll need to download and install NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers section. From here, select Game Ready driver. Check for updates and download and install the latest Game Ready driver version. Once you finish installing it, you'll need to reboot or restart your system. Just click on Restart if you don't get prompted automatically. And after restart, before launching the game again, you want to run Steam as admin by right-clicking and choosing Run as admin. And then you can simply launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.